first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. So guys, you're probably wondering what is happening with this look. I actually just filmed a how to do your own makeup for your wedding tutorial. If you're interested in checking that out after this video, you can click on the link. I'll post it up later, and I'll post it in the comments section or description section as well. So guys, I know why you're here. You want to know what no one has told you not to do, or what no one has warned you of not to do before your wedding. And I want to be that person. You guys know, if you're regular on my channel, I keep it real. I just want you guys to not make the same mistakes that I made. I've been married for 3 years now already, and there's certain things that I was not told before the wedding. The first thing is, guys, don't diet at least a month before your wedding. So if you get engaged and you know you want to lose some weight, get working on it as soon as possible, because 1 month before your wedding you need to stop. Reason being, you don't know, your weight can fluctuate, and whether you're having a dress made or hiring a dress, it might not fit you. Okay, so sometimes when you diet, within like 2 weeks you start gaining weight again. So you don't know what your weight is going to be on the day of the wedding. And if you diet till the end of the wedding, when you go for your last measurement, you might be too skinny, so the dress might need to be taken in even more, and you don't want that. You're really going to peeve your dressmaker off, or the tailor that needs to tailor the dress if you are hiring. I had my dress made, so I went for my last fitting 1 week before the wedding, and I was obviously she told me though, don't lose any more weight. Like with I think it was the second last one already, she's like, don't lose weight, because otherwise we need to alter even more, type of thing. So if you are working on losing weight for your wedding, please don't, or stop at 1 month before. Then you need to be at your goal weight already. So work hard to get there. A month before, changes might start happening to your body. Whether you start gaining again or losing even more, you need to know what your dress size will be at least a week before. You don't want it to be baggy or too tight and that sort of thing on the day, because then there's nothing you can do about it. So that's tip number 1, or the one to avoid. Secondly, guys, I made this mistake. So as you guys, I keep saying as you know, but not everyone might have come across my channel before. I'm very big on skincare, and I really worked hard on my skin to clear it up, especially before the wedding, guys, because I had acne as a teen and all those things. I had scarring, and I cleared my skin up so well, guys. It was like 3 months, 2 months before the wedding, and then like 1 month before the wedding, someone, good intentions, but offered me this detox tea, and I just thought, like, oh, this would be good for me to do like a detox type of thing. And I drank this detox tea, guys. I had a terrible breakout. Now, it could be stress related as well. Some people break out when they stress. I got pimples and things, guys, like I was a teenager again, all along my jawline. It was crazy, guys. And on the day of the wedding, obviously there was nothing I could do. The pimples started coming out like a week after I drank the tea. Not even a week. It was less than a month. It was 3 weeks before the wedding that I drank the tea, I think. And then like 2 weeks before the wedding, these pimples came out, and eventually, not all the pimples were gone, but most of them were gone. But I once again had scarring, and I was so disappointed, guys, because even on the day you want to look good, but afterwards you want to go on honeymoon, you want to take lots of pictures, and I didn't want to have that scarring. I wasn't planning on wearing makeup all the time, and thank God my husband is an awesome person, and he didn't care about the marks and things. But myself though, I was so disappointed, and there was nothing I could do, guys. People telling me drink water, to flush it out, and I done that, but I couldn't get rid of those pimples in time. So I still had some pimples on the day of the wedding, and I had scarring. So all my work that I've been working on for like the past 4 months, working towards a good skincare, because my skin was clear and supple and healthy, it was all messed up, guys, by tea. Can you believe it? And then the last thing, so no detoxing, guys. That's the bottom point. It's not don't drink tea, it's no detoxing type of tea, because sometimes it's impurities in the blood that works out. That's what pimples really are. It can be hormonal or stress as well. I wasn't eating lots of chocolate and things, so it wasn't that. But it could have been stress related, but I wasn't that stressed out. But on my last point, guys, let me just get to that one. It's make sure that you give yourself enough leave. Now, don't be like me. What I done, I booked my leave. We were getting married this Saturday. I booked my leave the Friday, so that would have been my last day of work, basically. Or I would not have gone in on the Friday, and I would have got married the Saturday. And the Monday of that week of the wedding, guys, I was cool and calm. Everything was planned already. The only thing I needed to do, I had started slowly packing because we were going to move into our own place. So I had started packing my things up. But guys, I couldn't focus that week. I don't know if it was nerves. I was just excited and nervous, and I just couldn't focus at work. And you know, my colleagues and my manager spoke to me and it's like, why don't you just take off? And you know, they teased. They're so awesome. They know me so well. Well, they knew me so well. They had this little card of this guy sitting with his butt in the fire, and people were asking him, are you okay? And he was like, I'm fine, I'm good. But his ass was on fire, so that was kind of me, because obviously, you know, all those emotions and things come up and you're really excited and nervous for the new journey ahead, and I just couldn't focus. So my manager was kind enough to let me put in that extra 4 days, so I actually went home the Monday, and so I had that whole week to prepare myself emotionally, also to pack my things and get things sorted. So guys, even if you think you're strong, give yourself at least that week before the wedding of leave. Just take leave, guys. That's beside afterward, the honeymoon and whatever. If you have enough, please take leave before then. Don't do it a day before the time. Honestly, I'm telling you, your nerves are going to be shot, or just the excitement. There's a lot of things around, and there's always something. You think you've done everything. There's always something that still needed to be done. Like myself with the packing, I think it didn't really sink in until that week. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's like, you know, you've been planning for it all along. Everything else was planned and booked. It's just the packing, guys. I needed to pack up my things, and I had started, but like, not really. I mean, my clothes were all still in my cupboard. Other things I needed to do and pack up. So there was actually lots still needed to be done, and thank God they gave me that time. So my 3 tips for you to avoid is, firstly, don't be dieting up until a month before your wedding to make sure that dress fits you. Secondly, don't detox, guys, or at least I would say give yourself 3 months even. Don't detox after 3 months before your wedding. So if it's like 4 months before your wedding, that's fine, you can detox, because you can still work out those pimples and scarring if you do scar, because I scar when I get pimples, unfortunately. But within 3 months before your wedding, I would just say, just don't detox at all. Don't drink nothing or do things to detox, because you don't know how it's going to affect your skin. And then the last thing, guys, give yourself enough time, ample time to soak it all in, to get things done, and don't push yourself too hard. So those are my 3 don't do's, guys. I hope that it was helpful, and like I said, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please check out this video. I will put it on one of the sides over here. Thank you once again, guys. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. And I'll catch you on the next video.